Every journey begins with a sound, and every motorcycle has its own voice. But today, my Voge is getting a new tone. A change that's not just about style, but about character. Welcome to this transformation. Let's get to work. The stock exhaust of the Voge is functional, but it lacks personality. My goal? To shed some weight, improve aesthetics, and give it a deeper, sportier sound. But first, let's remove the old setup. Step 1. Removing the side case near the exhaust to access the clamps. Step 2. Loosening the two clamps that hold the exhaust in place. And finally, carefully taking off the stock exhaust, making way for something much better. This titanium mid-pipe is sleek, minimalistic, and significantly lighter. Less weight means better handling, but most importantly, it completely transforms the bike's voice. Now the moment of truth. Time to bring this machine to life. Let's hear the difference. The numbers on paper don't always tell the full story. I haven't tested performance yet, but one thing is clear. This small modification changes how I connect with my bike. Motorcycles aren't just machines. They're companions, and every detail we change makes the experience more personal. Would I do it again? Without a doubt.